One other thing I want to say about the gyro, and I wish I had these videos when I was building the bike. First thing you want to do is get yourself a service manual, which is $7 or $8 on YouTube. I mean on eBay. They make a service manual for an 85, 86, and the much rarer 1984, which looks a lot different. Still has 3 wheels, but they use these kind of tires, 2 tires in the back, little tiny ones which are available. The one thing I want to point out, as far as if you have one of these and you have parts, the parts that I cannot find is this part right here, and I have straightened it out. It's kind of a piece between 2 plastic pieces. It gets bent. The other part that I cannot find correctly is this crossbar right here. Now, I did all this about 10 years ago, so I've looked for all these parts for years. This crossbar, which holds the front right light underneath here across to the left light, always gets bent. You either run into something and they're bent here, or somebody parks their bike next to it and bends them. If you have a straight one of these bars, which is not bent, keep it. This bike, brand new, cost me, I'll say $600. That's what it cost me. It didn't look like this. I have many videos on YouTube that show me from beginning to end one winter, I believe in 2010, when I put this all back together. The gyro, I went to BikeBandit.com to look up the Honda 1985 gyro. It's called an RU50 or some weird name, weird number. But I went on eBay, and these decals, which I like to call them, they're not stickers, cost, for a full set, they cost about $100. So you'll get this sticker, that sticker right there, this little sticker, one up here for the color code, and the 2 side decals. The originals are a lot, they're not as bright. They're more of a gold color, not a yellow color. Anyway, I got to get back to cleaning this bike, and I just wanted to stop for a minute and show you what I'm doing.